How to add a GIF widget to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Myco application on your iPhone. From the app's main page, navigate to the My Widget section. Here, you can browse through various widget styles and sizes. Select the animated GIF widget you would like to add to your home screen. Then, tap on Save Widget at the bottom to save your chosen widget. Now, go to your home screen, long press to enter edit mode, and tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. In the search bar, type Myco and select it from the results. You can swipe left or right to preview the different available formats and sizes for the widget. Once you've chosen, tap the Add Widget button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this new widget to configure it. From the menu, tap on the widget option as shown. Select the design you saved earlier from the list of recently added items. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. The widget will now display your chosen design. Following these steps, you can easily add a GIF widget to an iPhone.